According to industry-specific research, over 80% of all faults in hydraulic systems are associated with oil contamination or aging. Ignoring the need to purify and regenerate hydraulic fluids leads to wear of mechanisms and loss of productivity, and in 85% of cases, to complete failure of equipment. While in use, oil is inevitably exposed to particulate matter, including the metal shavings, dust, seal particles, and other wear products, as well as the oxidation products that develop as oil ages and reacts with ambient medium. All of this leads to loss of lubricating properties in oil and results in accelerated wear of equipment components and mechanisms. According to the ISO 4406 international standard, the contamination level of hydraulic oil should be strictly controlled. If the purity level exceeds the permissible value, for example, 20/17, such oil may no longer be safely used in the system and should be changed. However, more than 90% of this waste oil is still suitable for further use after proper purification and regeneration. Unfortunately, the conventional methods of hydraulic oil purification, such as chemical treatment and filtration, have a number of significant drawbacks. The chemical methods, including precipitation, sulfuric acid treatment, and distillation, are accompanied by loss of valuable additives and development of secondary contamination by way of acid sludge. Filtration with the use of filter elements is not capable of ensuring the complete removal of aging products, and the actual filters require frequent maintenance. In view of the above, GlobeCore has developed a technology for hydraulic oil regeneration with the use of a special adsorbent, which is implemented by means of CMM-R plants. The principle of their operation is based on running the waste hydraulic oil through several, normally 6 to 12, or more, columns filled with Fuller's earth sorbent. This sorbent absorbs aging products, acidic compounds, and other unwanted impurities, reclaiming the initial physical and chemical properties of oil, its clarity and ability to efficiently perform the intended function in the hydraulic system, which means that the oil is reclaimed to as good as new condition. A distinctive feature of CMM-R plants is the ability to regenerate the saturated sorbent without removing it from the columns on site by gradual burning, which ensures at least 500 to 600 cycles of reuse. In order to achieve maximum regeneration efficiency, it is recommended to use an CMM-R plant in combination with other plants for preliminary treatment of oil. For instance, preliminary removal of particulate matter, as metal shavings, can be facilitated by an CMM-4.0F plant, and excess moisture can be removed with the use of an CMM-1CF plant. This technique allows CMM-R plants to focus directly on removing the harmful impurities and acids that occur while the hydraulic system is in operation and result from oil decomposition and aging. Given the rapid rise in petroleum and lubricant prices, hydraulic oil regeneration is becoming an economically viable and strategically important solution for enterprises. This is because the CMM-R plants manufactured by GlobeCore make it possible to reduce the costs for new oil, as well as to decrease the volume of hazardous waste, thereby contributing to environmental conservation. And how do you solve the problem of waste hydraulic oils? What methods do you use for this purpose? Share your experience in the comments section. More information on the GlobeCore technology and equipment for hydraulic oil regeneration can be found by following the link in the first comment or visiting the website, www.globecore.com.